welcome to another episode of Highlights from the Permanent Collection. Today we will be discussing artist Hollis Hammonds, and the artwork we'll be discussing from her is My Exploding House #2. This piece was acquired when Hollis had a solo show here at the Dishman in 2016 titled Wasteland and Wonderland. Looking at the piece, we can see a tremendous use of balance and space as the imagery truly explodes. The mylar's opaqueness in combination with the ink wash adds to the hazy, smoky bursts of debris coming out from every angle. My personal favorite part of the show was during the installation of the house structure made of wood panels and found objects. It was a wonderful magic to behold Hollis and Dennis haul item after item to be suspended in the air, like the scene from The Wizard of Oz when Dorothy's house is getting sucked up and spun around in a tornado. This body of work is heavily inspired by a tragic event from Hollis's young adulthood when her family's house caught fire. Looking back at the show now, it's a bit surreal because since then we've all experienced a lot of destruction in the area from recent hurricane seasons coupled with floods and the chemical plant explosion in Mid-County. It only feels more relatable in a literal and metaphorical sense, also given everything we've been through in 2020 and are still experiencing today. Hopefully we're truly coming towards the last leg and finish line this year. A few updates from the Dishman. The upstairs gallery has now changed, and instead of student work, we're featuring art instructors' work from around the Southeast Texas area. And that artwork will be on exhibition until April 3rd. We are still expecting guests to wear masks upon visiting, so please keep that in mind if you feel safe enough to stop by. We hope to see you or hear from you regardless. And I hope you have a great weekend, and thank you for joining us for another episode.